catch anything, you'll be on camera. All right, it's a beautiful day. We got a nice sunrise coming up. We got Matt and Heath, the beans back there. Planning on fishing the next couple of days, see what we can catch. Hopefully something good. Got fresh wine on leader on that swordfish rod, so Bean's stretching that out right now. You know, just getting all the twists out of it. Blend it out back there. Here we go.
You know what they say, right?
Look at that rainbow.
They say there's a swordfish at the end of the rainbow. Might be a swordfish at the end of it. Let's go find out. Oh, there comes the bull. The bull.
He's got it.
Think you like some calamari?
In my bowl?
Yeah, baby. Breakfast is served.
What's wrong with breakfast?
Breakfast is champion.
My cereal bowl blew back, then he put squid in it. What are you gonna do with him? Wow, we be fishing, baby.
Coming up.
First drop of the day, we got a swordfish on, I think. You know, it could be a shark, there's no telling. The rod just bent over. We didn't see the usual whack. We know where they hit it with their bill. It's a shark. Oh, night shark. Yeah.
That hook's good.
He got him. Good job, Bean.
There he goes.
So long, buddy.
No hook in his mouth.
Alrighty.
See what the bait looks like.
So we got our bait back. Was hoping for a sword, but it's a shark. It is what it is. Night shark. Look at that. You would never guess that a shark almost just bit that. I mean, it's perfectly fine on that side. A couple of teeth mark on that side, so. Here we go. We're getting rigged back up. Ready when you are, Bean. Go ahead.
Going down.
So we've been sword fishing all day. We caught one shark the first 10 minutes. We've not had another bite the rest of the day. We caught no swordfish, no other fish. So we're trying to save the day here. We got the multiple hook rig going down. That's something.
Training.
Big Rosie's there.
Oh, big rosies.
Watch the lead, watch the lead. There you go. Four banger.
Look at that.
There you go.
Big rosies. Whole stringer.
We finally caught something for dinner. Good job.
Look at the size of that one.
Big moose.
That's a moose.
Big moose, Rosie.
That one's got antlers and
yeah,
and hooves and everything. Good God.
There you go.
Nah.
It took a while, but we finally caught something. We're running. We just hit a school of mahi. There's a piece of debris over there floating, and we've got a couple on right now. One shot right there. So that's what's floating over there. Is a piece of debris. One shot, swing right in there. One shot, right?
One shot right in the boat.
Duck or bleed. Got him. Oh, he's angry. Perfect. All right, we're getting relieved. One more mahi. Here we go. We'll be back out here tomorrow. See what we can find tomorrow.
Oh, yeah,
Day 2. We're waiting on Matt to show up here. Still dark out. Getting ready to leave here shortly. We got a fresh bait here though. Blue and silver, fresh dolphin belly. Let's see if that does the trick. There you go. We're gonna check that buoy. It looked a little heavy, like one might be pulling on it. Not positive, but it looks like it might be a bite. We could use a swordfish.
It feels heavy.
I think Jocelyn needs to see a swordfish.
Amen.
Have you seen a
That's
swordfish?
right.
Nope.
No.
Every time I go fishing, she got one. Oh, well, you know, hopefully we see a swordfish right now.
I hope so.
It's a beautiful morning.
Either it's a false alarm or we're premature, or maybe there's one on there. Find out in a minute. Oh, it's heavy.
They're trying to give me some mercy. Give the bean some mercy.
Probably a sword he's scoped out. 99% sure it's a sword, Bean. Be ready. Be ready, Bean. Coming up. Swordfish, definitely. Big head shakes, Bean. Big head shakes. Look at those head shakes. This might be a big one. Big head shakes, you guys. Might be a big sword. Nice fish. Nice sword. You can back the drag up just a touch if you want. Half an inch. A big sword, right, Bean? How big is it, Dave? About 150?
Like 100, 120 maybe?
Okay.
Between 100 and 120?
Okay. We've been fishing 2 days for this bite, and we've got him on. Fish came up, heading back down now. It's a nice fish.
Come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice one. I see full now.
Perfect. Just take that, yeah.
Oh, she's turning brown.
Come on, fish. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Just wait, Bean, just wait.
Really nice fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she
That's a nice one.
Easy.
Beautiful fish right there. That green skirt. Skirt.
Drill it right for it. Wait for your shot.
Whitewash.
Yep, I'll get you clean here in a second. Lift slow and steady.
Oh, you missed.
She's a big one. Very big.
Got her.
Oh, Bean drilled him.
Oh, she's heavy. She's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
She's a big one. Whoa, that's a nice one. Woo!
Good job.
Woo! Look at that.
There you go.
Hey, 2 strikes, but it's 3 strikes in a row.
There you go. Nice job.
Gorgeous fish.
What a swordfish.
Those wounds on the back of her.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
All right, big swordfish. Teamwork between Matt and Jocelyn. Bean said he missed twice, but third time with a charm, he drilled it. Nice sword. Yeah, you know what happened? The skirt slid up the line.
Yeah. Right here, look at that. The line broke.
On the
right
green
there.
machine. Bean picked that green one out. He said it was his favorite one.
My favorite skirt
And
right
it got
there.
tight. Nice fish, you guys. Good job.
You want that out? Don't show my skirt.
You know, we fished 2 days for this fish. Now, this is the second day, but it's first thing in the morning, first drop when we got them. But yesterday was a long day. No fish. You know, that happens. We got lots of days out here we don't catch no swordfish. But we got a nice one today. We be fishing?
Yeah,
Now maybe we be catching.
we be catching.
We be fishing? We be catching.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, beauty. Nice fish, you guys. Nice fish. Yeah, baby. Woo! Look at that.
Oh yeah, what a
Look
dino.
at that tail there, deformed.
On.
Holy moly. Probably bit by a
Shark.
mako before, yeah.
Probably got bit by a shark.
This fish probably was bit by a mako before. Now it's gonna bit by us.
How's it gonna bit
But
by a bean?
you can see the score there. So that's from probably a shark, and his dorsal, his anal fin there's gone. So shark probably bit it off, you know, crunched it.
Bit by a sword. How's it get bit by the bean?
Crunched it. Look at that beauty. Good job, guys. Ooh, look at the hook. Holy moly, barely hooked. Look at the hook right there.
Oh, man.
Right in the edge there.
Wow.
Right there. I mean, just right in the edge right here.
Popped right
so
out.
lucky. That's where the hook was, you guys. Now that was some luck. You guys just saw how easy that hook came out. An hour-long fight, we got this nice fish.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Good job on the reel.
Whew, that was nerve-wracking.
Oh yeah.
There we go. We got it done.
All right.
Holy moly.
Yeah,
Oh
that
my
blood
gosh,
going
that gushing out of his stomach.
right on my leg.
All right, Matt, you gotta get the
Yeah.
tail up so you're not blocking it. Like that, there you go. Now we're talking. This is the shot, you guys, right there.
70.
We're gonna measure a short length from the fork of the tail to his lower jaw.
76.
Oh, I was gonna go 77, but I'm gonna go 78.
Okay.
I'm going 78 inches. Bean said 76. Oh my God. 76. Oh, the Bean got him. I was gonna go 77. I wanted to space out more. Bean said 76. He got it. Hit him, Bean. Perfect. So y'all get the point. We're icing it down. You know, if you catch a good fish, you're gonna eat it. You need to take care of it, you know. And that's what we're doing. We're icing them down. Bean's getting that taken care of. We're gonna try to catch a couple bottom fish. Good job, Jocelyn.
Thank you.
And you wanna get your hair done or nails did? Check her on out. We're at
Orlando, Florida, dramatic change.
There you go, dramatic change. Go check them on out. And we be fishing. So we're back at Bud and Mary's. We got the other fish in here. Those mahi are from yesterday. We got them late so we didn't clean them. Check Gizmo out. That Gizmo right there. Is that Gizmo? Look at that dog. Look at that, even got his name there. A fishing handkerchief, huh? There you go. All right, we're pulling the swordfish up now. We're gonna weigh them up, then we're gonna clean them. Get him, Bean. Get him, Bean. There you go. And you can see that old mark there where he was bit by that shark, we think. So, how many pounds do you think it is, Bean?
186. 178.
Ooh, I was gonna go 175. The question is it bigger than the bean? Give it a thumbs up if you think it's bigger than the bean.
It's definitely bigger than the bean, I'll tell you that now.
It's gotta be bigger than the bean.
It's gotta be bigger.
Oh, he's bigger than the bean. 189.5. Nice job.
186.
Did you? Yeah, that's a pretty good guess.
Yeah, 186 I said.
Nice guess. So 189.5 pounder. Good job, Bean.
There you go, baby.
Good job, everybody. Get Gizmo in there. So we're gonna clean this swordfish now. We're gonna let him hang while we do it. We're gonna get his nose off first. They're gonna save the nose. The keepsake, that's the first swordfish Jocelyn's seen caught. So see if we can get this thing off her without hurting ourselves too bad. Got it. There it is. Nice snooter off of him. That's an actual bone. Taking those outlines. Going right along.
Yeah, right?
Oh, I hit the harpoon. I felt it.
Yeah, right?
Trying to hold up my knife. So we're kind of quartering them. Those loins are big, so we'll do it like this. It's easier to handle them. Can you hold him if he doesn't rock and roll? Oh, he's leaking. Stomach's opening up. There you go. So that's a slab of swordfish right there. As fresh as it gets. We're gonna ice that down. Be good to go. So you gotta throw it right in your fluid. If you need ice first, you gotta.
Yeah, we need ice.
Use that bucket there. You can get some ice out of there. Let's keep working on this top section now. We can just go right here. Look at that. Just cut right off there and came right off. They cut pretty easy.
That's a nice piece of meat right there. Piece of fish.
Now we're just gonna keep working our way down here, down the body. We just went right down that bloodline. There's the harpoon.
Go all the way in. Oh my god.
Look at that harpoon. Look where it is. Pull that thing out of there, Bean.
In there?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
You got him good.
Yeah. There it is. We got it back.
Wow.
The dart.
There's the harpoon.
It's a little heavier than thought.
There you go. Right there you go. So that's half the swordfish. You guys saw what we did there. We're gonna save his head. Bean made a new friend. He wants to make swordfish head soup. I hope he's got a big pot. So there's that there, Bean. We're gonna clean this up, scrape it like usual, and we'll be good. So let's see. Half his stomach feels empty. That's his stomach. So I'm gonna do the other side. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Come to Bud and Mary's. Check out the tarpon here on the dock. Look at all these tarpon down there. They're just waiting for a little snack. Look at this little snack right here. This little piece of swordfish. It didn't last a second. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, drilled him with the poon.
Deep in there too.
Yeah, we'll cut it out later. Good job, guys. Woo. So beautiful swordfish right there. That one's gonna eat good.
Body bag.
Oh, bagging them, bagging them.